Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. Google has just unveiled one of the most significant updates to AI Studio, vibe coding. This innovative feature enables users to transform a single prompt into a fully functional AI-powered application. You simply express your idea once, and Google's AI Studio takes care of everything else. It accurately identifies the requirements of your app, whether it needs text generation, image creation, data extraction, or voice integration, and automatically constructs the entire interface. The system is designed to help you go from concept to a working application in mere minutes. In this video, we'll utilize Google AI Studio's new vibe coding functionality to develop a practical tool for researchers, a research article analyzer. You'll be creating a real, customizable utility, a complete mini research assistant embedded within Google AI Studio with just one prompt. The best part is that, thanks to this latest vibe coding enhancement, the entire process takes only a few minutes from beginning to end. Let's dive in. To start, navigate to aistudio.google.com/google.com/apps or aistudio.google.com and click on the Build option. You'll come across the primary box that prompts you to describe your app, where we will input our prompt. Based on the requirements of our app, we can incorporate the features listed under Supercharge Your Apps with AI. I will be selecting options such as generated images with a prompt, image analysis, Gemini intelligence integration, quick AI responses, and enhanced thinking capabilities when necessary. These features provide all the tools required for text extraction, analysis, and image creation. Now, in the main prompt box, we will insert this prompt, which I will provide below for you in the description. Create a web app called Research Article Analyzer. Allow the user to upload a research article in PDF format. Add a text box where users can enter one or more research questions, one per line. Use Gemini Intelligence to extract and summarize the title, author, year, objective, method, key findings, implications, and limitations. At the end of the summary, include a quality check metrics block with 3 quick scores: clarity of research question, rigor of methodology, and evidence strength. Each on a 1 to 5 scale with one interpretation line, like strong methodological design but limited evidence depth. Create a table called Evaluation of Findings Against Research Questions, with columns for research questions, related findings or evidence, relevance, high, medium, low, and brief evaluation. Add an overall relevant summary paragraph that explains how the paper contributes to the user's research focus. Then extract the 10 to 15 most frequent or important keywords and use them to generate a professional-style word cloud image with a white background and neutral blue-gray palette. Finally, add 2 export buttons, one for export to Google Docs and another for export as PDF. After pasting the prompt, proceed by clicking on Build. You will observe AI Studio beginning the setup process, which may take a few seconds. Once the build is finished, you'll be presented with a straightforward interface featuring 2 input fields, one for uploading your PDF and another for entering your research questions. Now let's put it to the test. We will begin by uploading a research article. Following that, we will enter our research questions, listing one per line. After we have provided that information, we will then click on Analyze. And so now, let's look at the output. How amazing is that? It's followed our instructions perfectly and come back with a fully structured summary. It's added the title, the authors, and the year of publication, then broken everything down into clear sections: objective, method, key findings, Implications and limitations. The objective section is concise and to the point. It explains exactly what the study aimed to do. This is exactly the level of insight we want for research synthesis or literature reviews. Then the methods section goes deeper, describing the data source, the sample size, and the analytical model used. Then we have the key findings. It summarized Facebook was the most favored social media platform, 49.3%, followed by Skype, 38.6%. A large majority of respondents, 80.1%, believe social media is beneficial for education. And here's the quality check metrics block. 3 clean gauges for clarity, rigor, and evidence strength, all rated out of 5. It looks great visually and instantly shows how solid the paper is. You even get a short interpretation line that sums it up. The study is well-structured and clearly presented, employing a robust empirical method with strong statistical evidence. Simple, clear, and exactly what you'd want in a quick research evaluation. And here's the evaluation of findings against research questions table. It's automatically taken my research questions and matched them with related findings from the article. Each question comes with a relevance rating, high, medium, or low, and a short evaluation summary on the right. So, for this first research question, we can see the relevance is marked as high. It's also linked the key findings directly to it and added a short evaluation explaining why it's such a strong fit. It's a quick visual way to see which papers actually address your research focus and exactly what you'd want for quickly checking how each paper aligns with your study focus. And finally, here's the keywords and themes section. The app automatically pulls out the main concepts from the paper and displays them neatly here. And just below, you'll see the keyword cloud of dominant themes. It's fully generated from the article's own text, with the most frequent or important terms appearing larger. You'll notice that sometimes a few words aren't returned perfectly, so you might need to regenerate or clean the text slightly before using it. It's professional looking, and you can even download it straight from here. So basically, in just a few minutes, we built a complete research assistant inside Google AI Studio. You can upload any paper, get a clear summary, check how it aligns with your research questions, score its quality, visualize its key themes, and export everything as a clean, ready-to-use report. It's fast, it's customizable, and it helps you move from reading to insight without losing time. And the best part is, this entire app was built from a single prompt using Google's new vibe coding feature. What's exciting is that this is just the beginning. With vibe coding, you can build so much more. Study tools, dashboards, data visualizers, writing assistants, or even your own automated research workspace. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more practical AI workflows for research, writing, and productivity. I hope you found this useful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Like, share, and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.